Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to talk about this because I want to try this out on camera since I've been trying it out for a while. This is the, if I can find it, Verb Ghost Oil. I know it doesn't look like I use that much, but you really don't need a lot to try it out. So this is a mini sample of 17 milliliters. Usually when you can buy it, it is 60 milliliters for $22 Canadian. It's supposed to be a weightless restorative oil that hydrates, smooths, strengthens strands for shiny, frizz-free hair, which my hair is straight. There's not that many things that is happening with my hair, but I do have a lot of flyaways because my hair gets dry. I have a lot of bleach. Well, a lot. I have some bleach on my ends and I want to like keep them from breaking, so that's why I've been trying this oil out. And for the hair type, it is for straight, wavy, curly, and culty hair. So me, I have extra straight, no iron needed over here. And for the hair texture, something that is really important, it is fine, medium, and thick hair. So I have extra fine hair. As you can see, I barely have anything. It's like a rat tail. There's actually like nothing over here. Like nothing is going on. So we have to take care of it still, you know? And the highlights, especially on the Sephora website, it says that it is good for frizz, which I have some little frizz. It is hydrating. Also, it is vegan. It increases shine, which I want some shine in my hair. And it is without sulfates, SLS, and SLES. How to use 2 to 3 drops on damp or dry hair to weightlessly eliminate frizz, smooth flyaways, and add all over shine. And guys, so I see this ingredients, which it is a smoothing moringa blend plus weightless hair oil, which moringa, oh my god, you guys have to do your research on moringa. It is one of my favorite ingredients. For a while I was so obsessed with moringa. I was eating moringa. I was, you know, it's like the superpower plant of like everything. It has so many benefits of it, so I am so glad there is moringa in there. It's just amazing. I have nothing bad to say about moringa. So let's go to the actual application process while still talking about my hair, how it is. I did wash my hair yesterday, so my hair is not that bad. And my hair gets oily, I would say, at the top, which it's not that bad right now, but it's still not the greatest, honestly. Like here it's really oily, so I don't put the oil in my scalp. I concentrate it lower end of my hair. So as you can see, like there is a little bit of frizz, especially when I keep it in a ponytail, which completely normal. It's not supposed to be perfect. And I have a lot of knots that form, especially when I untangle my hair. But I'm going to be putting the Verb oil in my hair right now. So I'm going to start with this side. As you can see, it's kind of crazy right now. And it doesn't look very smooth. So I'm just going to put 1 to 2 drops just for this particular side. I'm going to do this and I'm going to run my hand through the hair. And I like to, you know, pass the brush beforehand because if I don't, it's going to be extremely hard to pass my fingers in there and it's gonna hurt. So already my hair is so much smoother. It's like really smooth. And then I just pass my finger on the side at the top, not too close to my roots because it's gonna be really oily. And already you can see a difference in the shininess of my hair and the smoothness of my hair. It's crazy how my blonde hair, my bleached hair, feels so much better already. And I don't like to put a lot, as I said. Usually I put it one day and then the next day I would add a little bit more at the bottom of my hair. Here is the side brushed and no oil, and here is the side with the oil. As you can see, there is so much shine. It's beautiful, and here's like, it looks kind of dry. And my hair feels weightless. It doesn't feel heavy. It doesn't look like I have, you know, less volume in my hair, which my hair doesn't have that much volume. It just looks really nice. And if it did weigh down my hair, you would see it immediately since my hair is just so fine and it's just crazy. You know, my hair is just, I can't do nothing with it. It doesn't want to curl, doesn't want to do nothing. It doesn't want to have any volume and whatsoever. So just this showing here that I can have some volume on the side here is just really great. Knowing that it hydrates my hair to this level, which my hair now looks really smooth. It feels smooth and it doesn't feel oily and it doesn't look oily as well. So it's just like a very beautiful shine, as if my hair was just really healthy and natural. Like it doesn't look like I put some glitter or anything in my hair. It doesn't look oily. It doesn't look like my roots had so much grease that it went all the way down. You know what I mean? Because sometimes, ooh, that's what happens. And we don't like this. There's some bounce on my hair. Flow is still there. The flow. So if you have curls, don't worry. Sometimes I do have my hair in a bun for like multiple days at a time. I know sometimes I just, have my bun all day long and then I just fall asleep with it. And the next day it ends up kind of all curly and everything. And even if I put this oil in, it's still gonna be wavy a little bit. So it just really adds some shine. It doesn't destroy the integrity of what you have in your hair. It's just really a beautiful oil, and I've been trying it out, especially when my hair was way worse than this. Now it just feels better. It looks better. You can definitely use it when it's wet or when it's dry. I use it mostly when my hair is dry, on like the second day, or if I'm going out and I want to have like beautiful shiny hair. I just put it in and I'm like, whoo, my hair is just so pretty, so soft. I just want to play with it. I just want to touch it. I just do this. It's so satisfying. So relaxing too. I'm like, oh. And if I concentrate only at the bottom, so I added a drop. Let's say if you make a mistake and you put too much in your hair, what is it going to look like? Because it can happen that you put a little bit more than usual. If a drop or two, falls, you don't want to throw it out. You know what I mean? Like, we love to apply some good products. It is going to be a little bit more shiny. Of course, if you like drench your hair in it, it's going to look greasy, right? But you have to let it soak into your hair and it's just going to look really, really pretty. So that's if you add a little bit more and you concentrate it on the end. As you can see, there's no like weird strands. It's not going everywhere. The bounce is really there. It just looks really, really pretty overall. It looks like I just did my hair at the salon, which, a secret by the way, I haven't applied any toner in over like a year and a half. I don't even know why my hair is not that brassy, to be honest, but that's another story. And I'm like, whew, I'm gonna have to cut my hair soon, and I would probably do it on camera next time because I cut my own hair. I really don't care. My hair is always in a ponytail or whatever, so it's like I just snip and that's it. All right, you guys, so my thoughts about this oil. Honestly, I love this oil so much and I've been trying it out, like I said, for a while, which I did was it like a shop with me, but that was a long time ago. I did a review also on the shampoo of the Verb, the shampoo and conditioner, which I absolutely loved. By the way, if you want to go check out my opinion on both the Verb Ghost shampoo and conditioner, it's going to be up down below and also up here somewhere. I always forget which side it is. But honestly, I really like this Verb Ghost Oil. I feel like Verb is such a good brand. I've tried 3 products from them now and I absolutely love it. This is definitely helping my hair so much, especially the bottom part, because it's so dry and it just really hydrates it properly. It's weightless, which is one of the things that I really need since my hair is super fine and I don't have a lot of it. I don't want the hair to end up like looking all greasy and like, like spider webs and stuff. Like it's not doing that at all. Like you can see, it's just flowing and it looks non-greasy whatsoever. And then the amount of oil that you need to use is so minimal that it's going to last you so long. So I feel like for 60 milliliters, it's a pretty good amount. And it's only $22 Canadian, which most of the time, hair oils or anything, they are so much more expensive than that. So it's a really great thing. And the moringa, the ingredient in there is just amazing. And over time, if you use it, your hair is definitely gonna feel softer and it's gonna look better over time, which I wish I took a picture a while ago before when I started using it at first. You would have seen a difference. It's insane the difference it does. It just helps it so much. I'm like, ooh, cute. So anyways, I really recommend this oil if ever you want to try it out. I hope that you can go get like a sample at Sephora or something. I don't even know if they have it on the shelves, but if they do, try to get a sample because I just love this oil so much and I would love for you guys to try it out for yourselves as well. So I really hope that you enjoyed this little review. If you have any questions, anything or nothing, if you want to say just hi, make sure to tell me down below in the comments and make sure to like the video for more and to subscribe to my channel for a whole lot of content every single week. Well, I try. On beauty, lifestyle, reviews, and a whole lot more. So thank you so much guys for watching. I love you guys so much and I will definitely see you in the next one. Bye guys!